Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and today's video we are doing a laundry motivation video. I know how much you guys love these videos, so I wanted to bring another one. So if you need to tackle some laundry, go ahead and let's get started because we have lots to do today.
Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
So with today's video, I'm actually doing my voiceover outside. So if you guys hear anything in the background, that's definitely why. But we are tackling about 3 loads of laundry today. I also went ahead and washed our bathroom rug. I have been keeping up with pretty much the same routine where I start with the towels first and then I do the rest of the clothes. So that routine has been working so far. So we're going to fold the towels and then we have 2 additional loads on top of that. I also wanted to see if you guys wanted some cleaning motivation videos as far as spring cleaning goes. I honestly have never put out any spring cleaning videos. I always just do like your regular clean with me's. But if you are interested in doing some cleaning videos and have any type of areas that you want us to tackle together, definitely let me know in the comments below and I would love to post some videos for you guys.
Is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting.
So the next thing I'm going to do is hang up these wet clothes. I feel like everyone has about 4 or 5 pair of clothes that you know that if you place them in the dryer, you definitely won't be able to wear them the next time. But I'm going to just hang them up on these chairs. Normally we do use a drying rack, but pulling that thing out sometimes is less convenient than just hanging them up on the chairs. If you are new here, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Ebony and I post content on cleaning, organizing, any type of lifestyle. If you need any type of motivation to get something done today, you are definitely in the right place and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I live here with my partner and my little girl. Her name is Eleni, and we live in this 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. It's about 1,000 square feet, and we definitely have to make wise choices when it comes to organization, and we definitely live a more minimal lifestyle. So if you're looking for any type of content to get you motivated to get something done, like I said, go ahead and subscribe. It is definitely free to do so, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family here.
Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting.
I also wanted to throw one tip in regards to laundry that has helped me so much. I used to procrastinate so much on laundry, but the one thing that has helped me is making sure to put your laundry away as soon as you fold your laundry. It was one thing I used to always do, was just fold everything, leave them on the bed, and just say I'll just put it up later. And then when I'm going to bed, forget that I forgot to put the laundry up, and then that laundry would end up somewhere else, and then I would just put it up the next day, but then I have the next laundry ready to go as well. So it just got overwhelming, and I've noticed that if you just have like some type of organization method to your laundry madness, it definitely helps and makes the process go by a lot quicker.
So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I miss.
So this right here is the last load that I had to transfer to the dryer, and then of course we still have to fold the previous load and that load. So we still have 2 more loads to go. So if you're still needing to get up and tackle a task, go ahead and let's get started. But I also wanted to mention, I was actually watching some motivation as well. So I do the exact same thing. So if you are watching this video for some motivation, definitely use it to your advantage. I do the exact same thing with other videos. Sometimes I'll even watch myself, or I'll definitely watch other clean with me videos or laundry motivation videos. They definitely do work, and just make sure you take them at your advantage.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
Let me know in the comments below, do you fold your pants and hang your shirts, fold both of your pants and your shirts, or hang both of your pants and your shirts? I always just love to hear what other people's routines are. We definitely fold our pants and hang our shirts. It just seems to work best for us, but I do feel like we're sort of running out of space. I have a more variety of clothes for like spring and summer time frame than I do for winter time, so it's sort of hard when I'm transitioning because my wardrobe is so much bigger for spring and summer.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
I also make sure to hang my clothes with the velvet thin hangers. Liana doesn't really care what type of hanger she uses, but I've noticed that the velvet type hangers definitely save space within my closet space. And if you guys haven't seen how to organize your small closet, that video I posted about a couple of months ago, and I also have another one that I posted last year. And if you are needing any type of motivation to organize a small space, especially being a closet space, I'll definitely put that video in the description box. You'll definitely like that video if you're looking for some type of motivation to organize your small closet. So clearly my child loves to put stickers everywhere besides in her book, which we've discussed, but she's been putting them on the dresser and the wall, and we have talked about it over and over again. For some reason she finds it very interesting to put them on her dresser. So I actually just did a spring cleaning in her room to where I had to glue on those stickers off, and it literally took me about 20 to 30 minutes to scrub 3 stickers off. But please just tell tell me I am not alone when it comes to having to clean up after your 4 or 5-year-old.
Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
Another thing I definitely need to do with her stuff is North Carolina is sort of like in that transition of one day it feels like winter and then the next day it feels like spring. It's sort of kind of like you don't really know which way to go with your clothes, but clearly I need to clean out her winter clothes and put some of her spring clothes in. Monday through Thursday she wears a uniform, which definitely helps us out, but then of course our Friday, Saturday, Sunday she sort of just picks what she wants to wear. So I definitely need to go through her clothes. Just let me know in the comments below, when do you guys sort of make that transition from where you guys are living. Thank you guys again for watching this laundry motivation video, and I hope that it gave you all the motivation to get something done today. And as I've always said, if that's just to simply make your bed, I am still proud of you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget, I post every Wednesday and Sunday at 3 p.m. and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
So fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right, we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights.